Every lipstick begins long before it reaches a makeup bag. Every ingredient is carefully tracked from the moment it arrives. Before production begins, every shipment must earn approval. Purity is verified before a single batch is produced. Controlled storage preserves consistency from batch to batch. Only precisely measured ingredients move forward. Inside, science and precision replace raw materials with possibility.
Accuracy at this stage determines the quality of every lipstick.
Heat transforms solid ingredients into the foundation of color.
Now the true transformation is ready to begin. Color begins with cosmetic pigments, measured to microscopic precision.
Removing air creates the flawless texture customers expect. Modern cosmetics rely on constant digital control. Even invisible particles are removed before production continues. Consistency must remain perfect from the first gram to the last.
Automation moves every batch without unnecessary handling.
Perfect molds create perfectly shaped lipsticks.
Precision filling begins with precise calibration.
Every system is synchronized before the first product is made.
Here, liquid color takes its first true shape.
Controlled cooling gives every lipstick its perfect structure.
Temperature control is just as important as the formula itself. Automation protects every product from the smallest defect. Computer vision catches imperfections invisible to the human eye. A fraction of a second creates the signature luxury finish. Perfect alignment ensures smooth performance every time. Precision assembly transforms components into finished cosmetics. Every mechanism is tested before reaching the customer. Every product carries its complete manufacturing history. The formula is complete. Now craftsmanship defines the final product. Automation combines precision engineering with premium cosmetic design. Brand identity is applied with microscopic precision. Every surface is refined to luxury standards. Intelligent vision systems inspect every detail in milliseconds. Even the smallest movement is measured for consistency. Every finished unit must perform flawlessly before approval.
Cleanliness is the final touch before presentation.
Balanced production keeps every stage operating without interruption. Packaging is prepared with the same precision as the product itself. Now, precision manufacturing becomes a retail-ready product. Precision continues even after the product is complete. Every package is sealed for protection and presentation. Complete traceability follows every lipstick worldwide. Weight verification confirms every package is complete. Protective wrapping preserves quality until the moment of purchase. Human expertise complements automated precision. Individual products become retail-ready collections. Large-scale logistics begin with organized packing. Every shipment is prepared for safe global transport.
Production is complete. Now every shipment must prove its quality. Even shipping begins with precision and consistency.
Every production batch is tested before release.
Scientific testing confirms every production standard.
Quality begins where the human eye can no longer see.
Performance must remain consistent under every condition. Modern cosmetics must perform in every climate. Consistency is measured with every controlled application.
Every shade must match the designer's original formula.
Only fully approved products move beyond this point. Now the journey shifts from manufacturing to worldwide distribution. Every finished pallet is carefully tracked before shipment. Digital inventory keeps every shipment fully traceable. Customer orders are assembled with speed and precision. Protective wrapping ensures every product arrives safely. The final stage begins as products leave the factory. From this point, millions of customers are only a journey away. Behind every lipstick is a remarkable journey of precision and care. Thousands of coordinated steps become one trusted cosmetic product.
And this is how modern factories produce lipstick from start to finish.
Every product tells a story of engineering, quality, and the people who make it possible.